talk about some more meta fields in Splunk. Remember that each time Splunk ingests logs, it's going to create meta fields for it. Today we're going to talk about the index field. Those logs need to go somewhere to be stored, and they're going to be stored inside an index. If we go to the training tutorials, we can actually see two really easy ways to view those indexes. The first one is you can just go ahead and click on this is a standalone system, so I can go to settings and indexes. I can click that link, or I'll just walk you through it. I come down to settings, I go to indexes, and here are all the indexes that are available to me. We can see their name, whether they're an event index or a metric index, the size that's been set up, how long ago it was since logs came in, where they're physically stored, and I can see each page of the logs. Other things I can do if I want to do it from command line or searching and I don't have a standalone indexer, I can actually write this command here, event count summarize faults index. Anyway, if I just click this nice little link here, it'll write it for me. I'm going to be lazy and not do it. Principle is it will come back and it will tell me every Splunk query. There are lots of ways, every Splunk index, there are lots of ways to pull back all the indexes. And if you have lots and lots of data, I highly recommend using this method. A lot of people use a stats command or something like that. That's highly inefficient because it's going to search through all of your raw logs to pull out every index. Instead, use this event count, which is a high-level meta command. It's only looking at the meta fields when it's doing this stuff, and so it'll be significantly faster. And so that's all you need to do. Here are a list of all of your indexes. If I remove this dedupe, I can actually see how many events are in each of the indexes during this time period. For this purpose, I didn't care, but I'll take it out just so you can see that. And I need to put a count field. And I can see how many events are in each of those indexes. So I might have an index, but that doesn't mean I'm actually storing data within it. Alright, I hope you found this useful, and we'll have more tutorials about indexes, but this was the general principle of how to find an index and where your data is going to be stored. Please, if you like this, like the channel, subscribe, look down below for information about more information from me for the apps and other things that you can do to be part of this community. Anyway, I hope that you will come back and want to learn more.